always say je veux. Of course, you can use it and people will understand what you mean, but there is a more polite way to say je veux. Just like in English, sometimes saying I want can come across a little bit rude or not as polite. Similar in French, as opposed to saying je veux, we can use the more polite way by saying je voudrais. Je voudrais. Je voudrais, which actually means I would like. If you're at a restaurant, for example, you wouldn't say to the waiter, I want a pizza. You would say, I would like a pizza. Je voudrais une pizza. Je voudrais une pizza. Or if you are asking for a bottle of water, for example, je veux une bouteille d'eau is acceptable. The more polite way, je voudrais une bouteille d'eau. So next time you will get a chance to practice your French, consider replacing je veux, I want, with je voudrais, I would like. Je voudrais, I would like. And maybe tell us how it goes. If you're looking to learn more tips, quick hacks on how to improve your French, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Petit coeur, à la prochaine!